Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials. Your profile is public, contact info is correct, and you have the Instagram app updated. Once done, go to Settings, choose Account, and select Switch to Professional Account. Pick Business if Creator isn't showing yet. This step unlocks features and stabilizes data migration. Make sure to grant permissions and connect to Facebook when prompted to preserve insights. You are now positioned to select Creator and move into the creator-specific setup that follows. Now choose Creator and pick the most accurate category for your content. This guides recommendations and analytics. Connect or create a Facebook page to enable Creator Studio and richer insights. This linkage is essential for cross-posting and monetization. Then customize contact buttons, message filters, and branded content settings so businesses can find and partner with you. Make sure to review privacy and monetization eligibility. These choices affect how Instagram surfaces your content and which tools. Finish by optimizing your profile. Add a clear bio, creator labels, and a professional profile photo, then check insights to confirm data flow. Post a test story or reel, verify Creator Studio access, and confirm message filters and partnership tools appear. If something fails, first log out and back in, then reconnect the Facebook page and reauthorize permissions. If issues persist, clear the app cache or reinstall. Finally, monitor analytics over 48 hours to ensure everything is functioning as expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.